Hello mga ka-wisdom! Welcome to Wisdom is Power channel. Kung bago ka pa lang sa channel na ito, huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe, i-like, mag-comment at i-share ang video ito. Click mo na rin ang notification bell to receive more wisdom videos na katulad nito. Salamat! Today we're going to talk about the part 2 ng ating symmetrical components. So review lang, Fortescue's theorem, according to Fortescue, any unbalanced system, three-phase currents or voltages can be represented by three separate sets of balanced vectors, namely positive, negative, and zero sequence components. So, ibig sabihin ni Fortescue rito, kung meron daw tayong unbalance, so pag sinabi nating unbalance, magkakaiba yung kanilang magnitude, they are not equal in magnitude, at yung kanilang phase displacement o phase angle o yung kanyang displacement, magkakaiba rin as we can see doon sa ating image ng unbalanced system natin. No? Yung IA medyo sobrang haba at iba yung kanyang angle, yung I sub C ay vertically, siguro mga 90 degrees yan. Then yung IB, iba rin yung ating length or the magnitude. Then iba rin yung kanyang angle. So, pwede daw natin yan i-represent using three separate sets of balance vectors. So, when we say balance, same magnitude and same uh, phase angle or displacement. Okay? So positive, negative, and zero sequence components. So, last sa part 1 natin, diniscuss natin yung ating mga equation to transform o symmetrical components to phase quantities. Ganun din, diniscuss din natin yung ating mga equation to transform phase quantities naman papuntang symmetrical components. So, yung mga subscript nating nakikita dyan, tulad ng V1, V sub 2, V sub 0, A sub 1, A sub 2, and A sub 0, yung mga subscript 1, it denotes positive sequence. Yung mga may subscript 2, it denotes negative sequence components. And sub 0, subscript 0 denotes zero sequence components. Kaya yung makikita natin lahat ng may 1 o V sub 1, subscript na 1, katulad nito, V sub 1, A squared V sub 1, AV1, no? Dito mo sa kabila, I sub 1, A squared I sub 1, AI sub 1. So these are the positive sequence components natin, no? Lahat ng may subscript na 1. Yung lahat naman ng may subscript na 2, B sub 2, I sub 2, AI sub 2, A squared I sub 2, lahat yun ay negative sequence components. At lahat naman ng may subscript na 0 ay zero sequence components. So B sub 0 and I sub 0. So yung A natin, it represents a complex operator with a value of 1 angle 120 degrees at yung A squared naman ay 1 angle 240 degrees. So let's have a practice problem. In an unbalanced three-phase power system, the line currents measured in a three-phase load are as follows. I sub A is equals to 100 angle 0 degrees ampere. I sub B is equals to 80 angle negative 130 degrees ampere. And I sub C is equals to 120 angle 110 degrees ampere. No? So, you will notice na magkakaiba ang magnitude, magkakaiba rin ang phase angle ng ating mga line currents. Okay, so we are asked to solve the following: A, symmetrical components; B, the negative sequence component of the phase B current; and the positive sequence component of the phase C current. Okay, so solving for the symmetrical components using our equation, for the negative sequence component ng ating current, zero component rather, the zero sequence component ng ating current, o I sub 0, that is, sa-substitute lang natin yung mga values natin na nandito, 1/3 multiply by the sum ng ating mga given, I sub A plus I sub B plus I sub C, then we will get the zero sequence component ng current natin ay 17.35 angles 81.67 degrees. Then for the positive sequence component, current natin, that will be, sasubstitute lang natin again yung mga values, but this time, meron na tayong multiplier na A para sa I sa B, at meron din tayong multiplier na A squared doon sa component ng IC. So that is the I sub 1 or the positive sequence component ng ating current is 99.66 angle negative 6.67 degrees ampere. For the negative sequence naman, that is 1/3. Again, the sum ng tatlo. At this time, yung A squared natin ay nasa I sub B. So, isa-substitute lang natin yung ating mga values. So, kailangan maging maingat tayo. As you can see, A squared has a value of 1 angle 240 degrees at yung A natin may value na 1 angle 120 degrees. Then substitute all the values, then evaluate using our calculator, then we will get 5.78 angle negative 105.03 degrees ampere. So if we want to to verify kung tama itong mga nakuha natin, so ito yung mga values natin, then isa-substitute lang natin doon sa ating equation, no? So to verify. So katulad nung I sub A, so kung i-add natin yung mga symmetrical components natin, I sub 1, I sub 2, I sub 0, the positive, negative, and 0 components, then dapat ang lalabas dyan ay yung value ng I sub A, which is 100 angle 0 degrees. So pag in-add natin yung tatlo, I sub 1, I sub 2, I sub 0, kailangan makuha natin 100 angle 0 degrees para ma-represent natin yung I sub A. So, using I sub B naman, yung equation natin. So again, multiply natin sa A squared saka sa A operator. So dapat makukuha natin 80 angle negative 130 degrees for I sub B. Para naman sa I sub C, ganun din, isa-substitute natin ang lahat ng mga values. Then dapat makukuha natin yung 120 angle 110 degrees ampere para sa I sub C. So letter B, we are asked to solve for the negative sequence component of the phase B current. So, yon. So, meron dalawang statement, ano, negative sequence component ng phase B current. So, alin yun dito, no? So, as you can see, itong nasa right side natin, meron tayong uh, 8 components, siyam na components, ano? So, lahat ng first column ay dito sa right side, ano? The right side of the equation, the first column will represents the positive sequence at lahat ng nasa second column, yung lahat ng may subscript na 2 ay negative sequence at lahat ng may subscript na 0 ay zero sequence component. So, ibig sabihin, yung tinatanong sa atin na letter B, negative sequence component, dito natin makikita yon sa column, sa second column, lahat ng may I sub 2 sapagkat lahat ng may subscript na 2 ay negative sequence component. So, but specifically, sinabi rito, the negative sequence component. So, tiyak na tayo na doon tayo kukuha, pero katapat ng phase B. So, ibig sabihin, ito yon, no? Ang column natin ay nasa negative sequence component dapat. Then, itatapat natin sa phase B, sa line ng phase B. So, ito yung tinatanong sa atin, no? Na A I sub 2. Ano daw ang value ng A I sub 2 natin? Okay? So using our equation again, so since nakuha na natin kanina yung value ng I sub 2 natin, no, which is 5.78 angle negative 105.03, then isa-substitute lang natin yung value ng A, which is 1 angle 120 degrees, multiplied by the value of I sub 2, then we will get 5.78 angle 14.97 degrees ampere. So this is the value of the negative sequence component of the phase B current. For letter C, we are asked to solve for the positive sequence component of the phase C current. So alam natin na yung first column, dahil siya ay may subscript na 1, lahat yan ay positive sequence component. Okay? I sub 1, A squared I sub 1, and A sub 1. But this time, ang tinatanong sa atin, yung component na nasa phase C. So, ibig sabihin, yung kolo, then punta tayo, tatapat natin yung phase C, which is ito yon. Okay, so AI sub 1 ang tinatanong sa atin, or letter C. Okay, so again, nakuha na natin yung value ng I sub 1 kanina, which is 99.66, angle negative 6.67 degrees. Then, mumultiply lang natin ng value ng A na 1 angle 120 degrees. So, that is 99.66 angle 113.33 degrees ampere. So that's all mga ka-wisdom. Again, kung bago pa lang sa channel na ito, huwag kalimutang mag-subscribe, i-like, mag-comment at i-share ang video ito. I-click mo na rin ang notification bell to receive more wisdom videos na katulad nito. Salamat!